In this video, I will show you how to extract multiple tables from a PDF file into Excel using Power Query. Let me open this PDF file. This PDF file is a report on the highest grossing movies from three major film industries: Hollywood, Bollywood and Malayalam. The PDF file has 4 pages and contains 3 tables in it. Highest grossing movies from Malayalam, Bollywood and Hollywood. Now let's see how to extract these data tables into Excel. Let me close the PDF file, open Excel, blank workbook, go to the Data tab of the Excel ribbon, Get Data, from File, from PDF. Using this Import Data dialog, select the PDF file containing tables. Import. A dialog called Navigator is activated, and these are the list of tables and pages in the selected PDF file. Table 1. Here we have a preview of Table 1. Table 2. Table 3. And the pages. Now to extract these 3 tables into Excel, select multiple items and mark the corresponding checkboxes. Table 1, Table 2, Table 3. Click on Transform Data. The selected tables are loaded into the Power Query editor of Excel. If you want to make any changes to these tables, like adding rows or columns or deleting rows or columns, you can do it here. You can also rename these tables if you want to. Table 1, we'll rename it to Hollywood. Right click, rename. Now to load these tables into Excel, click on Close and Load. All 3 data tables in the PDF file came to a single Excel workbook.